Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You welcome once again in this lecture. I would like also to salute the director of this channel, Mr. Rafi, my colleague Rafi. So we have started a lesson last time, and today we are here to continue, with this, kind of exercise that we have been doing. Now, today we are going to focus on the double comparative. The double comparative, But before we go into this lecture, the lecture of today, we are going to recall what we saw last time. And last time we talked about the comparison, and we saw the different, the different forms of comparison. We have we saw the different forms of comparison, and we saw what we call, for instance, the comparative form of inequality, equality, inferiority, and superiority. These are things we saw last time. And in the lecture of last time, I told you that you have to bear some things, a certain number of things in mind for you to better adventure in this field, or on this field of comparison. You have to bear in mind first that we need adjectives and we need adverbs to compare, because we said that to compare is to show how two things are different from each other, or how are they similar to each other. So this is what we said, and as a result we need adjectives or adverbs in order to succeed our exercises on the comparison. So these are the things you have to bear in mind. And the second one is the rules that I gave you. The rules that we gave, you have to bear them too in mind. It's very important. You have to bear the rules in mind, and if you are able, that is, if you have these elements, you can do the exercise easily. So that's it. Now today we are talking about the double comparative. The double comparative. When we talk of double comparative, we are in the process of describing things that undergo a progressive change, a progressive change. So to do such exercises, we need to repeat the adjectives in the comparative form. If it is short, if it is a short adjective, then you are going to repeat them, and if they are long, we are going to use more plus the long adjectives. So let us see the rules. When we have, for instance, the progressive increase, because in the double comparative we have the progressive increase, and we have it, that is, we have also the progressive decrease. Now the progressive increase, this is what we are going to see first. The progressive increase. So the progressive increase. Now at this level we have short adjectives, short adjectives. Short adjectives. So the rule here is what? We have adjective plus er, as we did it in the comparative form, plus and plus adjective, okay, plus er. So this is the rule that you shall follow, okay, in order to do such exercises. Okay, then we have the adjective plus er plus and plus adjective plus er. So this is the rule at this level. Okay, for instance, we have, for instance, Abigail. Abigail is getting, okay, stronger and stronger. Okay, Abigail is getting stronger and stronger. You see the point? So as we saw it, we have the adjective, which is strong. In fact, strong plus the er. Okay, strong plus the er. So we have it here in the rule. Then we have strong plus the er plus what? Plus and plus the adjective strong plus the er. So this is what we can see here in the rule. Then we can have also, we have many examples. For instance, when we take this one, Cynthia, okay, grows, okay, fatter and fatter. So this simply means that, Cynthia continuously, grows. Okay, she continuously grows. She is growing. Okay, so we have it. This is what we call the double comparative. Cynthia grows fatter and fatter. So this is also an example. Okay, we can say, for instance, there are many examples, as I said it before. We have, for instance, the weather is getting colder and colder. Okay, we can also say the weather is getting darker and darker. So as I said it, the rule for the progressive increase as far as the double comparative is concerned is this. We have the adjective plus the er plus and plus adjective plus er. So this is the rule. Now after this we have also long adjectives. Long adjectives. Okay, we have long adjectives. And we have another rule for them too. When we take the long adjectives, we do not apply the same rule. Okay, but at that level we use more. Okay, with the long adjectives we have this rule. We have, for instance, more plus and plus more. Okay, plus adjective. Okay, the double comparative. With long adjectives in the progressive increase, we have this as rule. More plus and plus more plus adjective. Okay, and let us take, for instance, this example. The drama, this is an example. the drama is getting more and more interesting. Okay, the drama is getting more and more interesting. So this is the rule at this level. Okay, so I think these things are very simple. You just have to bear in mind, okay, the rules, okay, and also the adjectives, as I said it earlier in the beginning of this lecture. Okay, so here we have the drama is getting more and more interesting, and we have it in the rule here: more plus and plus more plus adjective. This is the adjective at this level. So that's it. We have, for instance, another example. Life is getting, okay, more and more difficult. Okay, life is getting more and more difficult. That is, things are getting, okay, more and more complicated. Okay, so life is getting more and more difficult. Okay, this is another example. Okay, the story, okay, becomes more and more interesting, pleasant. Okay, pleasant, exciting. So this is the rule. If you have this in mind, it is okay. Okay, it is okay. So after this, we have also the progressive decrease. The progressive decrease. So the progressive decrease. Okay, when we talk of increase, you can see this image. Okay, increase. Okay, now when we come back to decrease, we have this. Decrease. Okay, this is decrease, and this is increase. Okay, now we have also progressive decrease, and at this level we have a rule. Okay, we have a rule for it. The rule we have here is less and less. Less and less plus what? Plus adjective. Less and less plus adjective. Okay, and when we say less, I think you understand. You understand the word less. Okay, less and less plus adjective. Now, this is, for instance, an example. I am, okay, I am less, okay, I am less interested. I am less, okay, interested in in politics. Politics. I am less interested in politics. Is this sentence correct? Is it correct? I thought we are together in, the room here. So this, for instance, is not correct because of what? Because of the rule. Okay, no matter how you consider it, just consider it as not correct because of the rule. The rule says we have less and less plus adjective. Okay, then we have only one less here. So for this sentence to be correct, we need this element because we have only one. We have only one here. So we need the remaining elements. That is and, okay, and the last list. Okay, the last list. Then as the rule states it, we will have I am okay. I become less and less interested in politics. So I become less and less interested in politics. Then here we have the less, the and, the less, and the adjective. Okay, so we have less and less, okay, plus the adjective. Then this is the rule, okay, at this level. And here, especially here, we have it, for either the long adjective or the short ones. Okay, it works for both of them. Are you getting the point? So that's it. Now let us move to when I put progressive decrease, it was B. Okay, it was B. Okay, then we are moving to C. We are moving to C. So see, here we have parallel increase. We have parallel increase. Parallel increase. Okay, parallel, that is, it is balanced. Okay, now sometimes the double comparative is used, okay, to say that an event causes another one. Are you getting the point? So in this situation, we have also some rules that can help you, okay, do this kind of exercises. For instance, when we take this sentence, the slower you talk, comma, the fewer mistakes you make. You make. Okay, the slower you talk, the fewer mistakes you make. Okay, so as I said it earlier on, at this level you see that it is because, okay, you are talking slowly that you make few mistakes. Okay, then this is the one causing this. Okay, this is the one causing this. Then as rule we have the short the plus short adjective the, okay, plus short adjective plus er plus the, okay, plus short adjective plus er. Okay, so this is the rule for short adjectives. Okay, we have the plus short adjective plus er plus the plus short adjective plus er. Okay, so because you are talking slowly, okay, that is you going slowly, you have, okay, more chances to make, I mean, you will not make, you know, many mistakes. So this is what we are saying here. The slower you talk, the fewer mistakes you make. So this is, you know, a little bit somehow the parallel increase at this level. Okay, let us see another example. The less okay, the less you talk, the less you talk, okay, the fewer, the less you talk, the fewer, you know, sins, the fewer sins, okay, you commit. The fewer sins you commit. So look at here. The less you talk, the fewer sins you commit. You commit. So here we do not have lesser. Okay, that is, we do not put er or whatever, because of what? The comparative form of the little is less, and these are the adjectives that we call, these are the kind of comparative form that we call irregular comparatives. Irregular comparative. When we take, for instance, less, okay, little, its comparative form is less. Okay, when we take, for instance, good, well, we have better. Okay, Americans say better. Okay, so when we take, for instance, far, we will not say farther, no, but we will rather say farther. Okay, so they are irregular, you know, comparative form. When we take less, when we take good, when we take, you know, far, so on and so forth, they are irregular ones. So the less you talk, the fewer sin you commit. Just to mean that if you don't talk much, you will not commit, you know, much sins. But if you talk too much, you will commit, you know, many since. Are you getting the point? So that's it at this level. Let us consider another example. Another example is this. The older daddy gets, comma, the weaker he is, the weaker he is. Okay, then we have the older daddy gets, the weaker he is. So you see that this is the one who causes this. Okay, that's why we said that sometimes the dot comparative is used to say that an event 1 causes another one B. Okay, then at this level you can see clearer that it is because of this that we can see this. Is that okay? So that's it. For instance, the older Koku gets, the wiser he is. The wiser he is. Okay, so that's it. The older daddy gets, the weaker he is. The older Koku gets, the wiser he is. Or we can also use becomes. Okay, there is no problem there. You can see for instance that the older daddy gets, okay, the weaker he becomes. The older Koku gets, the wiser he becomes. So this is the parallel increase. The rule is this one. Now after this we are going to talk of the long adjectives, okay, as far as the parallel increase is concerned. Then let us move to the rule. So at this level, the parallel increase, we are still here in the parallel increase, but this time we are going to talk about the long adjectives, and they are not the same as the short ones. So here the rule is the more, okay, plus long adjective, okay, plus the more, okay, plus long adjective. Okay, so in the name of harmony, I think I have to remove this one, okay, so that we have it adjectives, but you know that here this is adjective and this one too is adjective. So this is the rule, okay, for the long adjectives still the parallel increase. Okay, so you can see that they are different. They are different. Now here we use this, okay, to make the comparison of parallel increase, okay, with longer adjectives. Here is an example. The more okay, the more you trust people, the more you trust people, comma, the more they, okay, the more you trust people, the more they disappoint you. Okay, the more you trust people, pardon, the more you trust people, the more they disappoint you. You see the point? So we have the elements of the role at this level. We have the more, okay, and we still have it here. Okay, the more you trust people, the more they disappoint you. You see? Now we also have this. We also have this as an example. The more attractive, the more attractive the car is, okay, the more attractive the car is, that is, you know, the car is very nice. The car is very, very nice. Okay, so the more attractive the car is, comma, the more expensive, the more expensive it costs. The more attractive the car is, comma, the more expensive it costs. Okay, which means that if the car is very attractive, you see the car, and I mean it is very interesting, it's very, very nice. Okay, it's very nice, attractive, it attracts you. Okay, then you have to bear in mind that it is according to a price. Okay, so the more attractive the car is, the more expensive it costs. If you go, for instance, okay, somewhere to buy cars, and you see the way they are packed, okay, you see one here, the second one here, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, and among them you can see one which is more, you know, attractive. Okay, so you have also to bear in mind that the price of that car, okay, is, you know, is not the same as those who are not, you know, who are not nice. Okay, so we have the more attractive the car is, okay, the more expensive it costs. So this is what we have to bear in mind. Now at this level, the more you trust people, the more they disappoint you. So still, in this sense of